Okay. Ooh. We can has boss fight? Looks like no, you cannot has boss fight. Am I supposed to climb up there? Let's break all this stuff. Also, this game seems to really reward you. Like, the more you start mastering the combat system, the more efficient you become at it. It's not like other games where you just use the same combos over and over. You'll see me switching from guns to doing special attacks to all that kinds of stuff, which is a good thing in a game like this, variety in your moves. Come on, drop down. Thank you. There's the first chest. I'll just take it for sale. Am I able to jump through this? Not so much. As well as not being able to cross through it. So if I can't cross this thing, how am I supposed to get there? Do I have to run the opposite direction? Doesn't look like it. Oh, we have some stuff that we can blow up over there. I guess I'll have to climb to those steps to see what's going on. Oh, I actually can't. Never mind that. But I can climb over here. A lot of vases, another chest. There's the ball. Ah, these are crap. Okay, let's take this ball with us, shall we? Press RT to shove the ball with extra velocity. I tried that once, didn't really work. I wonder if they only unlock it at this point in the game. Oh, what I did was different. Can I shove it against this thing like so hard that it would bust it open? That'd be cool. No death. Let's roll it like this. Turn it all the way over there. That's it. Now let's try that thing.
To spare his brother from oblivion, the second horseman rode forth. And his name was Death. I see you, rider of death. You offer so little. I have an offer in mind.
Nope, it just gets stuck there. Okay. Which means that now I gotta find out the exploding thing. Which is on the other side. Ah, it's right there. I didn't notice there was a way to just climb up there. That was easy. So just climb up here, grab this thing. Boop. Boom. Now we gotta put this ball over here. That's gonna lower those stairs enough for me to climb on top of them. Hopefully. At least I would like to believe so. No, it's not enough. So if it's not enough, how am I gonna get up there? So close. Oh, I know. I know what we're supposed to do now. Let me show you guys something cool. so you're supposed to come up here now. At least I'm pretty sure that's what's supposed to happen. Grab this thing. And use this thing right here as an elevator. Check this out. Boom! Like a boss, thank you. And now we can go through this door, which is the only thing that we can actually do. Okay, so from here... Oh, it's one of those nest things. There. Get away. We need to start doing the whirlwind combo. Well, that guy died. Now we gotta get rid of the nest. Good night. Did I almost just get stuck there? Okay, now we've cleared that. Oh! I left some loot behind. Pick that up, you idiot. Sure, they suck, but we can sell them. You've collected another possessed weapon! Knock. Knock. Yeah, I got it. But I don't want to feed it just yet. And we have another possessed weapon. Now, let's open up the water. But there's places I want to go to before we go back. Because there were places that were inaccessible before because we didn't have the water. So let's see. This thing just takes us right back to the water flow, and that is not what we're looking to do. Let's see if I can figure out exactly what were those places that I couldn't access because of the missing water. Because I want to access them now. Okay, so we entered through there. Wasn't there already stuff here that we couldn't access? No, not here. Also notice, and like I told you, the whole place is now blooming with life. It's got this bluer color palette, and there's just so much life in the scenery right now. It's amazing. I love what they did with the game. I mean, it's just simple touches, but it's simple touches that make the experience that much more enjoyable, in my opinion. Okay, now let's go through here, and let's see if I remember correctly. That is the lever. I believe that the monster section is over there. And the places that I wanted to go, I'm lost. I am so lost. Oh, I can't go through here. Well, I say let's go through here. Figure this out. Aha! Yep, this was the location right here. No, it wasn't. Not this one anyways, maybe somewhere else. Book of the Dead page. Didn't even notice it was here. Wait a second, there was more to this. Ah! Trixie, you were trying to trick me. Yeah, we couldn't get here. But now we can. Let's get up there. Let's see what we can find from here. The other place we couldn't get to is over there. Aha, there's another lever here that we still haven't pushed. Ah, so this one actually took 2 levers. Aha! I'm a genius! This was actually necessary. I just thought I was going to get bonus items, but it turns out it was actually necessary. LOLs! Anyways, let's go through here. And we've opened up a new door. Let's see where this door takes us. Knock, knock, motherfuckers. So now this thing balances. And it looks like we've pretty much owned. So now it's going to spread out through the mountain. Yep, that was pretty much it. Now let's see if we've missed anything in this map. See if we've missed any treasures. We got a 3 floor here. Yep, we have missed quite a few treasures actually. Quite a few. Okay, so we have to go up, if I'm not mistaken, right? Let me see, I'm over here, which means we have to go... Actually, we have to go through here. Well, how could I have missed those chests? So there's supposed to be a chest over there that I've missed. Again, sorry you guys, but I really need to pick up everything because I'm just anal like that. You guys already know that about me though. I don't want to miss out on any possible loot. So the chest is up there. And how the hell am I supposed to get there, though? Oh, wait, there's like a gate... Oh, psst, lol. Possessed double scythes. Also, if we go 1 floor up, there's no further chests there. Okay, so now what we gotta do is go to the exact opposite side of where we came from. So let's just go through here and straight onward. Let me just have another look at the map. Yeah, we have to cross all the way to the opposite side and then go up 1 floor to get a treasure that's there. Down, however, there's nothing left. So the only thing left is 1 floor up. Can't believe I missed that when I was there. Again, I really like what they did with this whole changing the scenery thing. I can't wait to see what else they did with the game. It's just so cool. Am I doing this right? Nope. It's this way. Although it is kind of ironic in a way that death is basically bringing life all over the place. It's basically his sole mission in this game is bringing life. Now I get what they meant when they said that this location was called Drenchfort. Drenchfort. It's like the wet fort. Okay, now let's go through this door. And I think it's directly through here, right? Should be directly through here. Just have a look at it. Yeah, directly through here and then through the other door. It was very important in the other Darksiders to make sure you got all the chests, although I think that in this one it might not be as important as it was in the other one, because I just seem to be getting a lot of trash a lot of times from these chests. So let's see, from here... Okay, I'm almost there. And after that, I guess we just have to talk with Anya again. Because there's nothing else to do in this dungeon. But it's cool, we did another dungeon, and I'm really enjoying the dungeons in this game. They're extremely enjoyable, and I've only done just the start of it. Which means that this game has got to be huge, and there's already DLC on the way in. I'm excited about it. What can I say? I'm excited about playing more of this game. I just almost want to be a selfish bastard, just ignore you guys and just play by myself. Now then, let's look at the chest. Where is it supposed to be? It's supposed to be somewhere along the water main. So I just followed the water main and I didn't pay attention to where there would be a chest. Oh, it's supposed to be right here, but there's nothing to climb up though. Or to climb down. I see it. How the hell am I supposed to get there? Aha! Open sesame. Possess double sights with 14 piercing damage. And now I guess that we can leave Drenchfort. And we've also gotten ourselves another item for the necklace that the shaman's going to be making for us, which is always good. And yeah, let's just have a look at what this thing looks like on the outside now.
I have to go alone.
Can't summon my horse yet, doesn't look like it. I've already seen that thing. Look, there's like a tree here now. I'm pretty sure that if there was a tree here, it was like dried out. It's just chock full of life now with all the water flowing and stuff. Really, really cool. Look at the scenery. It's completely a different color palette. It's amazing. I love what they did with it. Wait a second. It says here that I'm still missing stuff. Where's the quests? Oh, there's another room that I haven't been to. Lol, I thought I was supposed to leave, but I guess not. Not everything has been completed just yet. They're tricking me. I thought it was weird that they didn't update the quest yet. I guess there was a reason for that. Oh yeah, I remember the place that I'm supposed to go to now. I remember. It should be that door over there, right? Just gonna confirm it with the crow, but I'm pretty sure that's the door. Yep, as you can see, he's flying straight there. He's gonna go what? Where are you going, you dumb crow? Yeah, that's it. Right over there, just like I said it would be. Guess that now I should be able to climb that thing. And there's probably a boss fight to be had. Ooh, lockdown. Oh, it's one of those things. It's one of those things. That thing is gonna rise up. Want to bet? Just like I thought. Oh, hi. Carinos. Wow, 0 damage? I guess I took too long.
Eat it!
Oh, now he's exposed its belly. Okay, now I gotta take that. Whoa. Oh my god, the damage it does. Oh wait, I can do the Reaper form now. Oh, I messed that up. Okay, now let's grab this thing. That was some nice Reaper form usage, if I can say so myself. Oh, crap! Jesus Christ, he damn near killed me there. It's a good thing I had just drunk a potion. Now then. Oh, crap, I was too slow. This is a cool little boss mechanic. Do this. Nothing that hasn't been done before, though. What? He's burrowing again? Oh crap, what the hell is that? Okay, that thing hurts. You need to stop that. Whoa, AoE all over the place. Jesus Christ, this is actually turning out to be a little bit harder. Okay, now then, let's grab this ball again. Shove it up his ass. No, 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 not it, not him! Damn it. Okay, here's another ball. Let's grab this. Yo, dude, pick this up. He's gonna burrow now in the middle again. Which means we're gonna have to dodge the stuff he's gonna throw at us. Okay, that's done. Now here he comes again. Another ball's gonna fall down. Let's aim it straight at him. Ah, damn it, I missed. No, I hit him. I hit him. Good, 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 good. We got this. We got this. Wait a second. Here it goes. Boom! Get sliced up, son. Oh, wow. He just threw that thing in its innards and like... Masher of Carinos. According to legend, this hammer was recovered from the hoard of a mighty sea dragon. This weapon was wielded in savage battle at the fortress of Carinos, and it was several thunderous blows from the hammer that finally broke down the gate. Named the Masher of Carinos, this weapon strikes critical blows more often and unleashes devastated critical strikes upon the enemy. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, and also apparently some armor dropped off. Awesome. Ravager harness. Let's equip this. Ah, look at how badass we look now, huh? Got ourselves another health potion to make up for the ones we had to use. Always good. And the final lever that will release the floodgates onto the world. The Drenchfort completed. Return to Alya in the Maker's Forge. I don't suppose... Would you reckon that they would hide stuff in this particular lake? They're a crafty bunch, these guys, so they probably would. Let's just take a quick look-see here. Can't see anything, can't see anything. They are a crafty bunch, so they would hide stuff here. But it doesn't look like they did this time around. Or if they did, it eludes me. Oh, wait a second. Ah, no, here it is. For a second there I was like, oh my god. Now I'm stuck down here. Can't believe I looked at the map and I didn't see there was a whole area missing to explore. Yep, this is it pretty much. We've explored the crap out of it. We got all the chests and we killed the boss. And the water is now flowing and it is time to head back to the Dwarven Fortress. How are we going to get back there though? Oh yeah, there's like the thing to climb from there. Really cool dungeon. I thought it was weird that I was leaving and there hadn't been any boss fights. So we've already had, what, 2 boss fights so far? 3 maybe? Not exactly sure. Yeah, 3 boss fights, because we also killed that copy of War from the Keeper of Secrets. So it's been 3 boss fights so far. How far along are we into the game? This actually tells you, right? The stats. Current game time. 3 hours and 53 minutes. This was a pretty nice session, if I can say so myself. So yeah, pretty cool. Enjoying the crap out of the game. Can't see what else it has in store. Can't wait to see what else it has in store for us. Hope you guys are enjoying it as well. As usual, make sure to leave me your comments and feedback in the comment section, and likes or dislikes, including so that I know whether or not you're enjoying this series. Extremely important to me. Like I always say, your feedback is the most important thing for me, so hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am, because I personally think this game is awesome. That is going to be the end of this particular session. Not even sure if it's like 3 or 4 episodes, maybe even 5. Not sure. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying it, because I definitely am. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!